What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Spang's World. Today we got an install part for you today on the 16 turbo behind us. It's the A UTV quarter panel door part. Basically, it's to fill this hole in right here. It's basically to fill this hole in right here if you don't have something there already. Goes in like that. Pretty simple install and stuff. We got this off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for it. Pretty quick and simple install, and let's get to it. We got these 3 L brackets that'll go on here. Basically, your tubes will fit right down in the sides here, and then these will get bolted in. You got 3 L brackets, 3 screws, and your plastic plate here. Everything is included for the install. First thing you want to do is remove the seat here. Removing the seat will make it easier to get to the back side here for the bolts. This quarter paddle has really good fitment. It basically fits in there without having to do anything. Well, let's go around to the back side here. Only tool you need here is a screwdriver. Pretty straightforward. Line that up, and then there we have it. We got it all done. Took like 5 minutes to do, I think, if that. But here, let's check it out. Pretty nice flush and finish here. Pretty tied up to the plastics and stuff, so that's nice. Goes with the machine really well. Kind of a side shot here. The plastic on these seems pretty durable. I mean, you can flex it out somewhat. I'm not going to go too much, but for general beating on the trail and stuff, they seem to be holding their shape pretty good and everything. Check out the A UTV products on Amazon. You can get you a set. I'll put a link down in the description. If you want something that interests you, give you a little bit different style than the OEM ones, or if your machine didn't come with one and you want to fill that gap. Pretty nice product. They were $49.99. So nice little filler panel and stuff. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll checking out this product review, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.